Rizal's social origin and historical context. Rizal's social origin helps explain how his nationalism was formed. He came from a family that valued education, discipline, and good values. So because of this, he became aware of social problems and learned to think deeply about the situation of Filipinos. So Filipino-Chinese mestizo in the 19th century also played a key role in nation building. Many of them were educated and exposed to new ideas, so they helped spread knowledge, supported reforms, and encouraged Filipinos to be more aware of injustice. So the Cavite Mutiny and the execution of Comborsa greatly influenced Rizal. So these events showed the cruelty of Spanish rule and the suffering of innocent Filipinos. So they awakened Rizal's sense of nationalism and pushed him to fight for change through his writings.